Hari Om friends, this snippet is about the India-China situation at the border and my predictions about it. I'll, in the link below, attach my predictions related to the world and why we are facing this COVID situation right now. So basically I had a look at the Chinese astrological calendar too, because China is a different civilization. They don't follow Vedic or Western astrology. Since January 25th, 2020, the year of the rat has started as per Chinese horoscope. Now, if I drill down deep into it, this year of the rat is exactly similar in many ways to the year of the rat 60 years back, that is in 1960. At that time, China started planning to attack India, which it did in 1962. This time also, China had similar plans of attacking India around 2022-23. But what happened is that one after the other, starting from April, then in May, Pluto, Saturn, Jupiter, and now from yesterday, Mercury has gone retrograde. So China's plan have been kind of thrown up in the air because every country is suffering from the corona pandemic, which was initiated by China. Now they did not have a plan whereby it would spread to its own country, to their own country, but it did. And the reality of China is not out as yet. They are suffering deeply, their economy is suffering, and so are there people who are now kind of in a mood of rebellion against their own government. So the Chinese people have been suppressed, as you know. I mean, I'm not a history student, but it's known, they have been suppressed. But somehow they have been kept in check. But now, when the economy goes down, and this year of the rat comes in focus now, since January 25th, this corona thing rampaged, at least we know it rampaged Wuhan, only God knows where else in China it rampaged. And the economy of that country has been badly hit. Plus the fact that China hid this as much as it could till its New Year started, after which Western countries and all countries, even India, have started pointing the finger at them that you spread the virus. Now China is isolated, deeply isolated, and there is a ongoing economic crisis unfolding there. It is much more than what is unfolding in India because their economy is bigger than India's. And India is an open society. Everybody knows that we are going through an economical tough time due to corona. Now, this situation, the rest of the world will go through this tough time. I had mentioned that there will, if coronavirus is not contained by May or late April, after which all the planets started going retrograde, then it would be, this whole year would be a washout. By washout, it meant that, that there would be other distractions for the government which it would have to firefight. Now this has started. Governments will be busy all over the world dealing with flashpoints that they are respectively facing. I see that there will be some relief that they would be facing around mid-November, by which time a cure, a definite cure, or a confident path towards it regarding this coronavirus would have come. And that would ease the anxiety of the people also, because after November 15th, all planets are direct again, at least for this year. For the next year, as per Vedic and Western astrology, I have to see the charts, which I have not. So basically, after 15th of November or a month before that, I see that China will be taught a befitting lesson by India and by all the global powers, and by January next year, that is before this year of the rat ends and the next Chinese New Year comes, China would be able or would be forced to backtrack either by military offensive by India or by a combined economic boycott of that country. But China is in for some rough weather because of this. Astrologically, this is based purely on astrology. So guys, be patient. The time is very rough right now. I know even my blood boils when I see the pictures of the bodies of our brave soldiers coming back. Me, having close links to the Indian Army, have lost some of my friends in Kargil, and also have seen my relatives fight and suffer in the 71 war. So it pains me deeply, but as it does the rest of the people of this country, of this beautiful country. But I want to tell you astrologically that India will give a befitting reply to China. And my analysis is that by 2022 or 2023, China's plan of capturing India's territory wherever they want it would backfire so massively that China for decades again would never think of this misadventure against India. So please, fellow countrymen, I know today is a sad day when our brave soldiers are being cremated. It is a very emotional time watching their family members, grieve. It's very sad, but be brave and have belief that even astrologically, the stars are with us. Karmically also, India is a karmically positive country. It does not harm any other country. It teaches peace. But at the same time, if somebody takes undue advantage of us, we have the capability of teaching such people a befitting lesson, because we have to protect our country, right? That is our first right or the first duty as a citizen. So be rest assured that by 2022 or 23, as per this Chinese, I'm talking strictly as per the Chinese calendar, because see, 60 years back the alignments were the same. They started planning in 60, executed in 62, fooled us. This time they started it, but they were forced due to Wuhan and the and the financial woes, economic woes. They were forced to accelerate it and have some flashpoints in Ladakh, Nepal, and Pakistan is also now basically it's owned and operated by China, because of the debt issue. So they will have to pay a heavy price of this time around. In 22, 23, their plans will massively backfire. They have already started to. This is solely an astrological prediction and a karmic and a spiritual prediction. So please give in your comments. Please tell me what I can do so that I get more viewership. I know making videos is very tough. Writing is much easier. Making videos is tough. I'm new in this. So I look for your guidance and comments. If you want any free chart or complimentary chart analysis on my website or on YouTube, please put the comments here only. Hari Om, and thank you, and may God bless you all.